In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome shortcuts not showing on your new tab page. If you're used to having quick access to your favorite websites directly from a new tab in Chrome, it can be incredibly frustrating when your shortcuts suddenly disappear. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you step by step through restoring those handy shortcuts. First, let's begin by opening a new tab in your Google Chrome browser. This is the page where you typically see your shortcuts. Now take a look at the bottom right corner of this page. You should see a button labeled Customize Chrome. Click on this button to open the customization options for your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. From this sidebar, select the option labeled Shortcuts. This will bring you to the section where you can manage the display of your shortcuts. Now, there's an important setting you need to pay attention to here. Ensure that the toggle or switch for Hide Shortcuts is turned off. If this option is turned on, it's likely the reason your shortcuts are not displaying, as it instructs Chrome to hide them from view. After turning off the Hide Shortcuts option, you'll have another choice to make. Chrome allows you to decide between two different types of shortcuts. You can choose to display My Shortcuts, which are the ones you've manually added over time. Alternatively, you can opt to show Most Visited Sites. This option automatically generates shortcuts based on the websites you frequent the most. Select the one that best suits your browsing habits and preferences. Once you've made your selections, the next step is to click Done to save these changes. This is a crucial step to ensure that Chrome remembers your preferences the next time you open a new tab. Finally, to make sure everything is working as it should, go ahead and refresh the new tab page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in your browser or by simply closing the tab and opening a new one. With any luck, you'll find that your shortcuts have returned, ready for you to use as you navigate through your day. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should have no trouble bringing your Google Chrome shortcuts back to life. Whether you want to see your most visited sites or the shortcuts you've personally chosen, these options give you the flexibility to customize Chrome to your liking. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy browsing!